You've booked your procedure. Your flight is confirmed. The hotel is ready. But now comes the question everyone asks last minute. What do I actually need to pack for a medical trip to Turkey? Whether you're coming for a hair transplant, dental treatment, plastic surgery, or anything in between, packing smart can make a huge difference in your comfort, healing, and peace of mind. So in today's video, I'm giving you the ultimate packing checklist. Not just for your suitcase, but for your recovery too. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I help you navigate the world of global healthcare with clear, practical advice. No fluff, no stress. Hit subscribe and let's pack for your medical trip to Turkey. 1. Travel essentials. Don't leave without these. Passport valid for at least 6 months. Printed flight tickets and confirmations. Clinic address and doctor's contact info. Travel insurance, print and digital. Prescription list if you take daily meds. Emergency contact sheet in your wallet. Cash, euros, dollars, or Turkish lira. Credit or debit card that works internationally. Phone charger and power bank. Adapter. Turkey uses Type F sockets 220V. Copies of your medical reports if prearranged. Take photos of all documents and store them on your phone and cloud. 2. Clothing. Comfort first, fashion later. You won't need your favorite jeans or high heels. Go for loose-fitting tops, especially if you're having facial or body surgery. Drawstring pants or joggers, easy on or off. Compression socks, helps with circulation during and after flight. Light hoodie or cardigan. Clinics or hotels are often cool. Hat or wide-brimmed cap, if you're having a hair transplant. Button-up shirts, better than pulling anything over your head post-op. Slip-on shoes, no bending, especially after body surgery. Swimwear, if your hotel has a spa or indoor pool, ask your doctor first. Pack 1 extra set of everything in case you spill antiseptic or meds. 3. Personal hygiene and toiletries, but make it post-op friendly. Soft toothbrush and travel toothpaste. Fragrance-free body wash, gentle on healing skin. Moisturizer or healing balm, some meds dry out skin. Antibacterial hand gel and wipes. Tissues and wet wipes, especially helpful if face is swollen. Saline nasal spray, if having rhinoplasty. Lip balm. Dry lips are common post-surgery. Travel razor. Manual. Electric may be too strong on sensitive skin. Skip perfume. Exfoliating products. New skincare. Keep it simple. 4. Medical specific items you'll be glad you brought. Reusable ice packs, especially after facial procedures. Neck pillow, great for flights and sleeping upright after surgery. Wedge pillow or 2 firm pillows to sleep elevated. Antibacterial soap for cleaning wounds as advised. Bandage pads or gauze, some clinics include them but extras help. Pain relievers if allowed to bring them. Electrolyte packets, great for post-anesthesia hydration. Surgical masks, protect from dust or pollution. Digital thermometer, track low-grade fevers at hotel. Straw or reusable water bottle, stay hydrated easily. Ask your clinic, will you provide a post-op care kit, and adjust your bag accordingly. 5. Tech tools you'll actually use. Smartphone with offline maps of Istanbul, Antalya, or Izmir. Noise-canceling headphones for the flight and hotel recovery. Downloaded Netflix or YouTube videos, Wi-Fi may be weak. Phone tripod or selfie stick for documenting your before or after journey. Night light or small clip-on reading light, hotels can be dim. Multi-plug adapter, charge everything from one spot. Optional. Mini journal, great for tracking symptoms or emotions. Card game, Kindle puzzle app, recovery can be boring. 6. Food and drink prep. Some patients report mild nausea post-op, trouble chewing, dental, low appetite or cravings. Bring a few comfort snacks. Crackers or oat biscuits. Herbal tea bags, chamomile, peppermint. Electrolyte tablets or vitamin C packets. Protein bars, soft, not crunchy. Rehydration drink powder. Avoid alcohol, caffeine-heavy drinks or raw food in the first few days. 7. Bonus items people forget but always thank me for. Flip-flops or slippers for the hotel room. Eye mask and earplugs, sleep is everything. Ziploc bags store meds used dressings or snacks. Mini laundry soap packet in case you spill iodine or ointment. Small foldable tote bag for follow-up clinic visits. Foldable ice hat for swelling. Small notebook for meds and timings. Keep it analog just in case. 8. What you don't need to bring. Towels, hotels, or clinics provide. Bed linens, recovery hotels are prepared. Fancy outfits, you'll live in loungewear. Workout gear, healing is more important than hiking. Full makeup kit, healing skin needs rest. Heels or boots, comfort is key. Pack light, pack right. 9. Special tips for hair transplant patients. Only bring zip-up or button-up tops. Wear loose-fitting hats or surgical caps, no pressure. Bring a donut pillow or neck support for sleeping. Ask if you need to bring saline spray or special shampoo. Take a pre-op photo album and one each day after. 10. Special tips for dental patients. Pack soft foods, protein, pudding, smoothies, oat bars. Bring a soft bristled toothbrush. Ice packs help with cheek swelling. Avoid talking too much the first few days. Wipes and mouthwash help between brushings. 11. Special tips for cosmetic surgery patients. Compression garments, ask if clinic provides or bring your own. Body pillow for side sleeping. Skip any makeup, your face will need air. Scar cream, check with your doctor first. Loose dresses are best friends. 12. Quick packing day checklist. Suitcase. 4 to 5 loose outfits. Travel documents. Post-op pillow or pillows. Personal meds. Toiletries. Medical aids. Phone and power bank. Snacks and straws. Journal or Kindle. Carry-on. Passport. Flight or clinic info. Neck pillow. Mask and sanitizer. Cash and card. Emergency meds. One change of clothes. Final thoughts. Packing for a medical trip to Turkey isn't hard, but packing smart can change your whole experience. Comfort, convenience, care. That's what we're aiming for. So be prepared. Ask your clinic what they'll provide. Fill in the gaps. And remember, healing starts with how you treat yourself the moment you leave home. If you want my printable PDF packing checklist with checkboxes and notes, just comment PackSmart below, and I'll send it your way. If this video helped you prep with confidence, give it a like, share it with someone planning a trip, and don't forget to subscribe. Because next up is, how long should you stay in Turkey after surgery? Timing matters, and I'll tell you exactly how long is long enough. Until then, pack light, heal well, and enjoy the journey.